Yo, what's up, people? Right now I'm at Strip, another strip, yeah. But today we're gonna be doing a bike check. My bike's on my bike, and my mate James' bike, and then it's gonna be after that. Just gonna get some clips on the strip. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment for next video. So let's just walk around and go and get it. Wow, Tid. It's actually been raining today. Hope it don't rain when we're doing our clip inside like some mad massive building still. Doing our clip like inside there, like between there. And here he is sitting down with the bike. It's basically right, let's just get into the video. So let's just do a bike check. Like most people like the seat slanted, like don't just make fun of my seat. I'm getting a Mafia seat or a Voodoo seat, or I might just swap my back stuff in. Right, most people like the seat slanted like mine, or some people just like it straight.
I don't like it straight.
But yes, it doesn't matter anyways. Like to make it slanted, for me it's like easier. Don't know why my seat's that high. Seat's normally to the lowest. Raw, did you hear that thunder? And then people just like it like that for some reason or something like that. And then my brake. The best, what's it called?
Right.
The best brake for, was it? V-brakes, the best V-brakes. See that? Let's see. That drew someone. It's the best for that. For the Voodoo brakes, he has a fluid. See? Don't know what he's done to his brake. But like he has a fluid. See that? And then you have this there. That's what miss. But let's move on to the pegs. Like this is the pegs. He's getting pegs on that. Don't know when.
Probably on next 3 weeks.
3 weeks, something like that. And I've got my pegs already on. Yeah. These are like stump pegs. But like this, like hold on. These are like stump pegs. But like this is the grip. I'll snap some off and get some more. Yeah, that's the grip tape. So like when you're wheeling, do combos and everything. So that's it. He's getting his on the back, not the front. You keeping your front quick release. Oh.
What?
Keeping your front quick release.
No.
Right, let's move on to the handlebars. I've got Mafia handlebars on the SE bike. That's just, innit? I've got Mafia bars on there. It's not
SE bars.
I've got Mafia bars, so they're smaller. But SE bars like they're long, so long.
My mate's bike because he has SE bars and I'm used to SE bars.
Yeah. He has Voodoo bars still. You're gonna get more on it. Longer ones, maybe. Maybe
I
longer
might get
ones.
some like out here.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just wanted Mafia handlebars because they're easier. But I didn't want to see.
5NM.
Let's move on to the wheels. You see that? Crazy Bob. Crazy Bob wheels. It's not actually that bad. Yeah, but they're just because I might be getting flick sticks if I wanted to.
If you do get flick sticks, I'm having them.
Yeah.
I'm putting them straight on my video on my Mafia. I'm having them on my video.
Yeah, maybe. But this one's so bold. Hold on, where's the rip? I think the rip's over that side.
Yeah?
Nah, there's another bit. There, spin it again. Look at that, that's how bold they are. Gonna get that repaired, or I might swap this. And no, I've already got flick sticks. Or I might swap that, the front wheel. No, the back wheel for the front wheel.
Yeah.
Reverse it. So now,
Oh, fuck.
he has two different wheels, like, that's not, like his back wheel's skinny, but it's fatter than his front wheel. Because like, he has more balance, but like,
No,
I
it's
have,
because my back tyre popped, you know. And then I had to get a random tyre, so I just got that.
yeah, but it's still, you still have more balance. Still has more balance. Don't know why you snapped off that. Hold on, where are your Allen keys?
Oh, yeah.
Quickly, just take it off now.
Hold that.
I'll hold that. Look, he has some 6 suspension. Look, hold on. I can't do a suspension right now. Hold that quick.
Hard.
Look, he has some 6 suspension. Hold on. Is it on?
Yeah. Yeah. Push down. Look. Let me do it.
It's supposed to be that way. Yeah, that's it there, look. Ready, 3, 2. He has some 6 suspension. Look, when you lift up, you'll hear the noise, look. Hear that?
Yeah, come here quickly.
When he lifts up. Right, you do that while I do my butt check. I'll come back to you. Right, let's move on to my... what am I going to move on? My grips. I have Boardman grips right now. So my other one's ripped. Yeah. Okay, they fully on ripped. I'm going to get all the new ones. I'm going to order my Mafia seat. Yeah. That's actually it. Come, let's go back to his. He's just taken off his thing. He has nice suspension. His back wheel's nice. His front wheel's too skinny. He has good brakes. His seat's all right. Should have put your Mafia seat on there.
What's it called? Don't fit on it. It's too small.
Yeah. Take off the seat and then put the Mafia seat.
It's long. My mum was rushing me.
Just take it back. Don't know why you took off the voodoo bit. Anyways.
No, it fell off.
Oh. I like his grips, you know. They're mad. He has some mad brake, look. I swear this is a Mafia, this brake. It's a fluid.
Yeah, but it ain't Mafia.
It's on your Mafia.
No, it's not. I got normal brakes like yours.
Say mums.
Mums.
It's supposed to get fluids. Yeah.
Fuck me.
What? You've done that. Keep the screws, just in case. Right. This is my lovely friend. Yeah, look, come here. You know my quick release? Just look at that. Look at that, boys. Not great, is it? It's not great, is it?
Best weather in the world, isn't it?
And it's the best weather in the world, isn't it? Best weather. It was just raining a second ago. Yeah. Huh? Innit? That's England, mate. Very sick. Goodbye, my little friend. Goodbye. Right now, yeah. James is just fixing up his bike. Literally. Might get a little bit of clips. Yeah, we're getting clips at the end. Really good job in there, isn't it? Really sick job. Yeah, we're getting clips at the end. Hold on. One more thing. You know, like these. Don't get these ones. Look at that. Look at that. Just literally, see that?
What?
Look. They're just falling off the...
That's why mine was. Look at mine. I'm getting them longer.
Yeah, but mine are motorbike ones.
Yeah.
I've done the wrong thing. I don't know. Your spokes are longer than mine, though. I swear down. His spokes... Look at his spokes. Hold on.
I made a bad
Here's-
decision as well.
And then look at mine.
Took me half an hour to fucking...
There. Yours are way longer than mine, but they basically fit on the motorbike ones. Yeah. Anyways.
There you go, done it.
Hold on, let me try something.
Even though what?
Hold on. Hold it if you want. No, hold that if you want. Hold on. What's that?
It'll fall out.
Say mums. Is that gripped? Should be.
Wait.
Nah, it won't be. Anyway, hold on. Oh,
My friend's here.
get this. Look. I'm gonna try this. I'm live up on MTV. Live up on MTV.
I'll just follow you, wait. Embarrassing. Okay. Wheelie. It pops up. Drop down. You don't wheelie off it. You drop and then you jump off it, you nonce. No, you wheelie up here, drop here, and then you jump off. Yeah. Now you record me in it.